Road to safety requires a comprehensive understanding of the challenges we face. Join us as we delve deeper into the solutions and strategies that can make our highways safer for everyone. As we navigate the aftermath of a truck accident, the complexity of these cases unveils itself like a winding road, necessitating a legal guide to navigate the twists and turns. Let's explore why truck accident cases stand apart, demanding a level of legal expertise beyond the ordinary. At first glance, a collision on the road may seem like a straightforward event. However, when a massive truck is involved, the legal landscape transforms into an intricate puzzle, and here's why. Firstly, the sheer size and weight of commercial trucks magnify the potential for catastrophic outcomes. When these behemoths collide with smaller vehicles, the consequences are often severe. Unlike typical car accidents, the aftermath of a truck accident involves a complex interplay of federal and state regulations, insurance intricacies, and corporate liability. Enter the world of driver fatigue, one of the leading causes of truck accidents. Long hours on the road and demanding schedules create a breeding ground for exhaustion, impairing a driver's judgment and reaction times. Proving driver fatigue as a factor in an accident involves meticulous investigation, often requiring the expertise of accident reconstruction specialists and medical professionals. It's a level of detail that goes beyond the scope of many conventional personal injury cases. Then there's the issue of inadequate training. Operating a commercial truck demands a unique skill set. Yet some drivers may find themselves behind the wheel with insufficient training. Uncovering such deficiencies and establishing their role in an accident requires a keen understanding of the trucking industry, its regulations, and the nuances of driver qualifications. Equipment failure adds yet another layer of complexity. Trucks are intricate machines with numerous components that must function flawlessly for safe operation. Identifying the root cause of a malfunction demands a thorough examination of maintenance records, manufacturer specifications, and expert opinions, all of which fall under the purview of a seasoned truck accident attorney. As we navigate these complexities, we encounter a legal landscape shaped by federal regulations governing the trucking industry. From hours of service rules to weight restrictions, these regulations introduce a layer of complexity that transcends the jurisdictional boundaries of a typical car accident case. Simply put, the aftermath of a truck accident is a legal maze, demanding a guide with a deep understanding of both the law and the unique challenges posed by the trucking industry. A seasoned truck accident attorney is not just an advocate, they are a crucial navigator, steering through the complexities to ensure that victims receive the justice and compensation they deserve. In the aftermath of a truck accident, victims often find themselves facing a formidable challenge, dealing with trucking companies and their insurers. Unlike typical car accidents, the complexities of commercial trucking add layers of intricacy. From navigating corporate interests to understanding the nuances of insurance coverage, victims can feel overwhelmed. The sheer scale and resources of these entities can create an imbalanced playing field. In this uphill battle for justice, having a dedicated truck accident attorney becomes not just a choice but a necessity, ensuring victims are not left to face these challenges alone. In the intricate world of truck accident cases, having the right legal advocate can make all the difference. A truck accident attorney is not just any legal representative, they are specialists equipped with a unique set of skills and knowledge. These legal experts understand the complexities of the trucking industry, from the federal regulations that govern it to the specific challenges posed by massive commercial vehicles on the road. This specialized knowledge allows them to navigate the legal landscape with a precision that goes beyond the scope of a typical personal injury case. In essence, the investigation process led by a truck accident attorney is a comprehensive journey. It's a journey that goes beyond the visible aftermath of a collision, peeling back the layers to expose the root causes and those responsible. It's a journey that demands expertise, dedication, and a commitment to ensuring that victims receive the justice they rightfully deserve. Thanks for tuning in, truckers and legal enthusiasts. If you found this information helpful or intriguing, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Have a question or a topic you'd like us to cover next? Drop it in the comments, and we'll be sure to check it out. Until next time, stay safe on the roads and remember, knowledge is power. Thanks for watching.